So hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about preparing a IELTS exam online. So let's get started with this video.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche.
So hello guys, there are always certain steps in preparing for IELTS via internet. First of all, we will talk about preparing for listening. So guys, there are a lot of sources and resources of preparing for listening online. First of all, there are certain listenings of IELTS fever. Just go on YouTube, search IELTS fever from 1 to 17. There are a lot of listenings of IELTS fever, and after that, try to do listenings of Cambridge. So that all will be sufficient for you to prepare for IELTS listening. So students, in the part of reading, I will try to put the link of my Telegram channel where I have uploaded all the readings of IELTS fever in the description. Just check that channel and please join that if you want to get the free IELTS material. I have uploaded all the materials like Makkad, new file and all the stuff. Just go there, download all the files and just start doing your reading, okay? Now it's the time for you to prepare your IELTS writing and speaking via online. First of all, for speaking, let me clear it. So students, there is not any type of shortcut for preparing your IELTS speaking. You will definitely need a person who knows English very well for this. You can just message me, call me on the numbers which are like shown in the description as well as which are shown in the video. You can just call me. I'll be there picking up your call and you can start preparing your IELTS speaking with me. And in the section of writing, you can just watch my videos that are uploaded in the channel of IELTS Remedy. Just go to the playlist section, and by going there, just search for the playlist of writing section, not writing task 1, writing task 2. I have uploaded all that videos of the daily task, but you need to go to the writing section. Once you have gone to the writing section, just go there and make sure you watch that video of writing task 1 and writing task 2 respectively, what type of IELTS you are preparing of. So this is all the stuff which you need for preparing your IELTS online for free. And if you want to prepare your IELTS by me, just call on 9914789567. There are a lot of certain batches which will suit your timetable. Definitely, I am sure about that.